A strong cut of low weather system brings stormy conditions for Western South Africa and is expected to continue into Friday. Some of those storms could become severe, so let's look at the forecast. That cuts of low just sliding along the west coast, therefore gusting winds expected overnight into Friday along the southern coastline as well as the Eastern Cape, picking up over the interior of the Northern Cape and gusting in parts of the Karoo. A few of those thunderstorms could become severe and result in heavy downpours here over the western areas of South Africa. We've also got that pink area falling over East London as well as the Wild Coast. They've already received a lot of rain, and more heavy rainfall could lead to localised flooding, where we've got a level 6 orange warning in place for Friday. Severe thunderstorms could also result in hail as well as a quick heavy downpour in parts of the West Coast districts and the Swartland. There we've got a level 5 orange warning in place, a level 2 warning for the surrounding areas. Large amounts of small hail also likely over parts of the Winelands and the Overberg, mainly on Friday morning. Here's what you can expect. Most of the storms moving over the Western Cape on Friday morning and then moving over the coastal areas. Widespread showers and thunderstorms for the Wild Coast and isolated showers in the forecast for most parts of South Africa. In the west, due to that cut of low just sliding along the coast, most of the storms expected overnight into Friday morning, moving over the Western Cape. A few of those storms likely to become severe, so please be warned. Heavy downpours also a risk, and large amounts of small hail over parts of the Winelands as well as the Overberg. A easterly wind gusting along the southern coastline. Later, a few storms expected to move over the Wild Coast, quickly moving away from South Africa as that low pressure system slides south, and also strong easterly winds blowing along the coast of the Eastern Cape. Thunderstorms expected early, moving over East London as well as parts of the Wild Coast. Heavy downpours likely, and a continuous onshore flow is expected to bring more rain throughout Friday for those areas. In KwaZulu-Natal, it's mostly cloudy, winds picking up along the coast with a few isolated showers likely on Friday. Also partly cloudy to mostly cloudy and cooler day for Mpumalanga. Isolated showers expected along the escarpment as well as parts of the Lowveld. A mostly cloudy Friday for Limpopo with a southerly wind blowing and isolated thunderstorms here and there throughout the day. Same in Northwest, it's a much cooler day with mostly cloudy skies and isolated showers moving in from the north, becoming scattered over the extreme northern areas of the province. In the Northern Cape, northerly winds are gusting, especially in the area of Sutherland and Calvinia. There we are expecting a few morning thunderstorms to move southwards, and also isolated storms picking up over the eastern areas. Northerly winds blowing in the Free State on Friday, with also a few isolated showers and thunderstorms to move over some areas. In Gauteng, 24, in Pretoria, much cooler over the Highveld, mostly cloudy skies, a quick, very cool shower likely on Friday. Into Saturday, the tail of that low pressure system will bring in more showers for Cape Town and thunderstorms spreading eastwards across South Africa. And then finally on Sunday, an onshore flow bringing in more showers and cool weather for the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, with drying up over Western South Africa. Well, that's all from me. Remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.